Hello good people, thank you all for stopping by. Please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, On the Eldo Talk Show, and follow us on our Facebook page, On the Eldo Talk Show, thank you. Cult clashes leave mechanic, carpenter, dead in Benin City. When contacted, the state police public relations officer, Chiedin Wabuzer, said he had not been briefed of the incidents. In what is suspected to be a renewed cult clash, unknown gunmen have killed a mechanic in the Aguarla Artillery Road area of Benin City, Eldo State. The victim, identified as Emmanuel Michael, was said to be attending to one of his customers in his mechanic workshop located at Osasogi Street when the bad guys appeared in the scene. The incident, according to the report, happened at about 6:20 p.m. on Wednesday, December 30, 2020. This is coming less than 24 hours after an unidentified furniture maker, carpenter, was killed by gunmen at his workshop in Araguar Street, off Wire Road in Benin City, the Eldo State capital. It was learned on Thursday from one of the vehicle owners, Freeborn Hu Take, who was around the workshop when the mechanic was eliminated, said the bad guys shot sporadically into the air before going straight to their target to eliminate him. Mr. Hu Take said residents around the area attributed the action to be cult-related, adding that the bad guys continued shooting into the air as they escaped from the scene of the incident. He said, the bad guys stormed the mechanic's shop at about 6:20 p.m. on Wednesday, 30th December 2020. Upon noticing that he was their target, the attacker immediately went straight to the said Emmanuel Michael. They aimed at his head, and his life was cut short on the spot. Before then, they shot sporadically into the air to scare residents before finalizing their target at close range. The bad guys later went insane in the area, as they were said to have engaged in a manhunt, looking for more persons to eliminate. The situation forced the residents to flee the area, while owners of shops quickly locked up and fled. It took the intervention of the Eldo State Joint Security Team to restore normalcy in the area. In another report regarding a carpenter who was also eliminated in Benin City, a gory picture of a middle-aged artisan, identified as Papa Molly, trended on social media late Tuesday, 29th December 2020. The deceased, a furniture maker, whose life was reportedly cut short by some unknown bad guys at Okabere Road in the Upper Sakpamba area of Benin City. There were indications that his death was cult-related, according to a resident in the area who simply identified himself as Felix. He said the bad guys, who stormed the workshop at about 3:30 p.m. on Tuesday, December 29, 2020, went straight to Papa Molly and dragged him out before leaving several bores into his body. The bad guys later fired some gunshots into the air to scare the people in the locality, who eventually took to their heels to avoid stray bullets. They waited patiently for the man to expire before they left the scene. We believe that this has to do with a cult-related matter, he said. When contacted, the state police public relations officer, Chiedin Wabuzer, said he had not been briefed of the incidents.